Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another tarot reading. So today's topic is what is coming up next in your love life for the specific sign, the Aries sign, the fire sign, and we just I'll just try to make the things, make the messages for you, or I'll just try to depict the things for you what is coming up next in your love life. No matters you are in a relationship or not, no matters what is the situation right there, I'll just try to help you people. So try to be open with that, be an open mind, because it is just a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everyone out there, so you have to be open mind. Take only what resonates with you, or just leave the rest messages. So this is what I'm saying here. Before diving to the reading, let me remind you one more thing. I'm offering the personal readings as well. You can ask me any question about your love life, about your marriage, your finance, your health, your career, whatever it is. You can ask me the questions. So the contact information is in the description box. You must go and check out there, so you will get connected with me easily. So now let's start with the reading. What's coming up for the Aries, the your moon or the sun sign is reading for the timeless reading. You can watch it anytime. And when I'm shuffling the cards, try to think about your partner in your mind. So can I tap into his energy? It would be easy to tap into his energy. So now let's start with the tarot first. Four of Wands, marriage card is here, and there is a commitment issues. I do sense that some things here that which is very much disturbing right now. You feel like confused, and I am just picking up your energies here. Why I am picking up here, I don't know, but yes, this is what I'm picking up here. You are very much confused. If you are in a relationship where you are not get committed, where your partner is not giving you the commitment, but you want to marry him, you want to fix the things with him, you want to get the relationship with the full of commitment, but you are not getting it, and you are, because of that, you are now become very much in a confusion. You are not able to see the clarity, and you are not able to see the things which is good or a bad in both ways, and you are too much in a confusion. Or if not, then it must be the message here for the people who are already married with their partner, and in their love life now the things are not uh, now things are very cloudy. You are not see the things very clearly, because in your love life you are very much get confused. What is going on, why is going on, and the thing is very much confused. Or the singles, and for the singles who are in no contact situation, who are not in any kind of relationship, no contact, whatever, any kind of relationship, and you are now in a very confusion that your marriage will be happen or not, you will get your desired partner or not. So this is what I'm picking up here. But don't worry about it, because the marriage card is here, which is very upright position, not reversed at all. And the hangman card is here. You will be get the clarity soon, because the hangman card is very much upright situation. Both are very upright, there is no reversal. So don't worry, the marriage is in your cards, the marriage is in you, is in your destiny. So don't worry about it. If you have any single doubt about your marriage, then don't worry about it. Let me take more. Four of Cups, Temperance, Judgment, Two of Pentacles, Four of Swords. Do you see the angel number 444 a lot in this meantime? Because I am picking up the 4 here. Do you see that 4 4 and the 4? Do you see that triple number 4 is here? And certain things will be happen in your love life for sure. Definitely, mark my words, suddenly things are happening in your love life for sure, because there is a proposal coming from you with the divine, with the blessings, as a blessing from the divine. You will get the proposal from the divine. What this is what I'm picking up here, and you are just rejected it. You are not sure with it. You are not getting any kind of benefits from it, and you just shut yourself out, and you are not seeing this proposal coming in your way right here. But I do really suggest you to think about this again, because it is very good proposal for you and for your marriage. If you are not seeing this, if you are constantly rejected this person, then you are doing the mistake. Seriously dear, you are doing a great mistakes, and because the things are going to be in your favor. There is a swords card here, and you are thinking a lot about this proposal. You are thinking a lot, but the things are not going to be work out as you desire for. But you have to be think about it, because the things are going to be in your favor. You are thinking about it, but the people around you are very helpful. They wants to help you, and they wants to take the things in your favor for sure. You are in a very helpful situation. Nothing is negative for you. And the coming days, in the coming days in your love life, you will get the some kind of good news as well as coming in your love life right now. And one more thing, the someone from your past is coming back. I do see that if you had a past, if you had a someone from your past or your ex, he should be coming back in your love life again. Because of that you will get confused enough, because of that you will get the sleepless night, not able to think, not able to eat, not able to see the visions. In fact, you are not able to sleep. So this is what I am picking up here. But the ex is coming back. It will not trouble you, not at all. So just to be open mind, if you want the relationship work out, then accept it. If you don't, then clearly say it no, because it will be in your favor. So just don't be panic, don't think too much negative. It will be happen soon, and you will be getting a committed relationship for sure. This is what I'm picking up here. Let me take more card. Seven of Wands. The things will be fixed, because you have a energy to fix the things. You have a power to fix the things, and you want to fix the things. So the things will be fixed in the new way. So don't worry about it. You will be get whatever you want in your life. So the card is here, the Judgment card is here. You will there will be a good news coming in your love life right ahead. So you have to wait for that. But while I'm saying this, just try not to be obsessed. Don't think much or negative, because whenever you are try to think too much or too much negative, the things will be pushed away automatically. The positive things will also pushed away automatically. So just try to be open mind, just try to be calm and subtle. So don't think too much negative. Now let me take out some oracle guidance for you. Compromise, abundance. You are going to attract the abundance, and the compromise card is also here. I said you right. I said you that the person is from your past is coming back in your life right now. Is coming back from the past. So you have to decide what you should do. You should compromise, or you should reject him, or you should go ahead with a new partner, because there is a proposal coming in your way, and you are keep resisting it, and you are keep push that proposal back. So don't do that. Try to be open, try to be receptive, and try to be accept that proposal, because it's in your favor dear. If not, then there is a past person is coming back also, so you have to think about it, but you have to do compromises with him. That is very necessary. So this is it for the sign of Aries. This is what I am picking up here. I hope you like this reading. I hope you like my channel. So stay tuned for the next videos. Till then, bye bye, take care.